Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest gear on the market. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the Yesmotor Youth Kids Motocross helmet. A standout choice for young riders looking to hit the trails with style and safety. This helmet isn't just another piece of gear, it's crafted with top-tier materials to ensure maximum protection and comfort. Let's break down what makes this the best youth helmet for motocross available today. First up, safety. The Yesmotor helmet boasts an ABS shell and EPS lining, meeting DIT and FMVSS 218 safety standards. This means it provides robust protection against impacts while maintaining a lightweight feel that won't weigh you down on those long rides. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in motocross, and this helmet excels. Its streamlined shell design not only reduces wind resistance but also minimizes wind noise. Perfect for maintaining focus and comfort during high-speed rides. Comfort matters, especially for young riders. The Yesmotor helmet features a removable and adjustable sun visor, allowing you to customize your visibility based on the lighting conditions. Plus, the removable washable lining ensures that your gear stays fresh and comfortable ride after ride. And wait, there's more. This helmet comes as a 4-piece set, including gloves, goggles, and a mask, everything you need to hit the track or trail right out of the box. So, whether you're tearing up the dirt on an ATV or shredding trails on a mountain bike, the Yesmotor Youth Kids Motocross helmet is your go-to choice for safety, style, and performance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gear reviews like this one.